Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the Cadillac Certified Pre-Owned 2018 Cadillac ATS all-wheel drive. Stock number X807X. Only 18,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Satin Steel Metallic in color. To be Cadillac Certified Pre-Owned, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior, very clean as you can see. The ATS is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera. Nice size trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This ATS has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. And moonroof control overhead. Under the hood, this ATS has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 272 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway. All that with new tires. Don't forget about that Cadillac Certified Pre-Owned Warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.